Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll talk about what is pogo-sticking, why it's important and how you can avoid it. Let's dive right in. First let's see what is pogo-sticking. Let's take an example. For example, a user goes to Google and types earn money online. These are the ads, so skip these, and after entering the search term, he goes to the search results and clicks on the first link. He visits the website, but after some time comes back to the search result and then he clicks on the second result. But again he does the same, goes to this page, but after some time he comes back to the search results and clicks on this link. But this time he spends more time on this page and doesn't come back to click on the next link. This bouncing back and forth between the SERPs and the websites is known as pogo-sticking. Now why it's important? If a lot of people do the same, they click on a search result, then after spending some time they come back and click on the next result, and then again they come back to the search results and click on the third link and so on. This will tell Google that the user was not satisfied with the first two results. And if a lot of people do that, then Google will decrease the rankings of the first two pages and will bring the third result at the top. And when your ranking drops, you get less organic traffic. So this is why you have to pay close attention to pogo-sticking and try to avoid it as much as possible. Now let's see what are the reasons for pogo-sticking, why people go to a web page and don't spend much time and again come back to the search results and click on the next link. The number one reason is slow loading website. If a user goes to this website but it takes a lot of time to load, then he will come back and try the next website. So page speed is the number one factor why people come back to the search results very quickly. This is very easy. You can use a tool provided by Google, Page Speed Insights, paste your URL here and analyze the website and see what are the problems in your website that are decreasing your loading speed and try to solve those issues. So this is the number one reason of pogo-sticking. Secondly, what you can do is you can have a nice website design, have a font size that is easy to read, and try to answer the question as early as possible in your blog post or web page. Here you can see that this website has given the answer at the start of the blog post. Moreover, you can add internal links at the start of the page so people can go to that page instead of going back to the search results, and try to cover everything about the topic. Like you can see, they have these many details in this article. So when you have more details, people spend more time on your page. Moreover, you can add updated date. Like you can see here, this article was updated in October. People don't like the old information, so try to update all your old web pages and write the updated date so people can know they are reading the latest information. And most importantly, don't write anything in your title and meta description that is not on the page. If for example you wrote free in your title tag and in your description, then make sure that information or that tool or anything that you are offering is free when they land on your page. When you promise something in your title and description and when people don't find that on your page, then they will leave your website quickly. So these were some tips that you can follow to avoid pogo-sticking. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more SEO tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.